Mixing of two acids or two bases, calculating the strength of the solution. So for this, let us assume in a solution, let me consider this is an acid 1 having normality N1, possessing of volume V1, and you also have another solution which is taking acid 2 of normality N2 and volume V2. If they are added to each other, so acid 1 plus acid 2. If you have acid 1 and acid 2 added to each other, now collectively the total volume of the solution becomes V1 plus V2. This is your resultant volume, and let Nr be the resultant normality of the solution. What is the relation between resultant normality to the normality of individual solutions when two acids are added to each other or two bases are added to each other? Let us understand this way. In this particular one, if I consider this acid 1 may have, let us understand this way, if it is having some, let us say some 4 equivalents of, this is equal to 4 equivalents, or we can say this is equivalents to N1. This is taken as N1. Let us take this is N1 number of equivalents, and let us go with the acid 2. Let us go with acid 2. So we go with acid 2, which is having, let us assume in this case, let us go, this is equal to 6 equivalents. Let us take this is N2. Okay, now when you are adding these two to the resultant solution, if I am adding this to the resultant solution, your overall number of particles, that means the number of particles that will be present in the solution, will be equals to, how many particles will be present in the solution? Just check it out. You will have 4 particles which will be present in this. Along with this, you will also have the 6 particles which are also possibly existing in this particular one. So overall the number of equivalents will be given as n equivalents is equals to n1 plus n2. So the total number of equivalents is taken as sum of the number of equivalents of acids added to each other. So if one acid, for an example, has 4, let us consider like balls. In one solution, if you have taken 4 balls, in another box, if you have taken 6 balls, when I add the 2 balls to each other, the total number of balls you will have in a single container added after adding is 4 plus 6, 10. So the same way, if you have n1 number of particles of solute particles in the acid 1 and n2 number of solute particles in acid 2, the total number of acid particles after adding to each other in the mixture will be n1 plus n2. Now what is number of equivalents? If I take number of equivalents in this particular one, number of equivalents is given by normality into volume. So we can say n1 is equals to n1 into v1. Same way n2 is equals to n2 into v2, and the same way number of equivalents, n equivalents, the total equivalence is equals to resultant normality into resultant one. So now according to this equation, n equivalence is equals to n1 plus n2. That means nr into vr is equals to n1 v1 plus n2 v2, which is given as resultant normality is equals to n1 v1 plus n2 v2 by V1 plus V2, V1 plus V2. This will be the resultant normality of the solution. Resultant normality of the solution is given by N1 V1 plus N2 V2 by V1 plus V2. So when two acids are added to each other or when two bases are added to each other, the resultant normality of the solution comes to be N1 V1 plus N2 V2 by V1 plus V2.